ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
It was 1993 and Swami had sent a few boys. In fact, that is when the Grama Seva had really started. It just was there for 1 year. When Swami had sent a few boys for Grama Seva, he had sent them to Janakampalli, a nearby village, and he had told them to serve and come back. And after the boys came back, Swami asked the boys, Yela unna, how was the seva? So they said, Swami, very nice. And Swami said, okay, so did you meet Radhamma? Who's Radhamma? Nobody knew who's Radhamma. So they just blinked at Bhagavan. Arey, that house which is there on the right hand side, when you, Swami started describing the exact location of Radhamma Garu in Janakampalli. And they were dumbfounded. They didn't know which is this Radhamma Bhagavan was talking about. And then Swami went on to say, Arey, that lady who gave you that ragi mudda ball with, hot ragi mudda ball with ghee on top of it. Yes, Swami. They all suddenly realized that, yes, there was a lady who had given them this prasadam. And so they said, yes, Swami. And Swami said, that is Radhamma. These boys had gone for seva, but Swami was introducing one of the residents of that village to these boys. And then Swami went on to say, Radhamma is the world's best midwife. Midwife is a lady who helps during pregnancy in the villages. Swami said, Radhamma is the world's best midwife. Swami had declared her, had authenticated her as the world's best. So all the boys nodded, because whatever Bhagavan says has to be the truth. Then Swami said, do you know why she is the world's best? No, Swami, we don't know why she is the world's best. Then Swami said, there are hundreds and hundreds of pediatricians and gynecologists in the world. Yes, Swami. Still Radhamma is better than all of them. Oh, okay, Swami. Do you know there are several researchers in this area who are publishing several papers? Swami is telling this. Yet Radhamma is better than all of them. So much of importance to Radhamma. So all the boys again nodded. Yes, Swami. Do you know why she is the best in the world? No, Swami. And then Swami said, because before she does any activity, before she goes on to help in any delivery, she simply closes her eyes and says, Swami, you only work through me. And once she prays that, I simply take over, and because I am God, I have to be the best. And therefore she becomes the best. That is why Radhamma Garu is the world's best midwife. And each one of us can become the world's best in whatever we are doing, sheerly by closing our eyes and telling Bhagwan, Swami, you are doing this through me. Swami takes over, and once Swami takes over, it has to be the best, because the Lord doesn't know what is less than the best. That is how He works through us. That is the kind of qualities, the samskaras that He puts into our heart.
My